Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. So this is officially going to be my first video this year, and I've been seeing so many trends where rosemary is literally the best for hair growth, and I have tried my best learning how to make it, and I'm going to be showing you the right way to make your own rosemary hair water for hair growth. Please consider subscribing down below, and let's get into the making. For this remedy, we're going to be using our rosemary leaves. I prefer use leaves other than powdered rosemary leaves. I have a mixture of dry and the fresh leaves. So in hot boiling water, we're going to put about 3 to 4 handfuls of the rosemary leaves and cover it up and let it boil for about 20 minutes under low heat. I've used about 530 ml of water and about 3 handfuls of the rosemary leaves. I give it a good stir. Make sure your rosemary leaves are perfectly washed and clean before adding it in your water. So we're going to stir and cover it up to let it boil. So it's about 20 minutes later and the rosemary leaves are perfectly boiled. Let me not lie to you guys, the scent that I was getting from the rosemary leaves was to die for. It literally smelled so good. Wow, I was literally in love with the smell. And you should be having this nice tea-like appearance in your boiled rosemary water. And this is what we're going to use for our remedy today. So we're going to strain it out. As we're getting into the sieving process, let's talk about the benefits of using rosemary water in your hair. Rosemary water acts as a hair growth remedy. It stimulates and improves circulation of the scalp, thus encouraging the hair growth of your hair. It also acts as a hair cleanser due to its natural antibacterial quality, and it gently cleans the hair follicles. Rosemary also enhances shine in the hair. It literally increases the shine in your hair. Like, wow, your hair will be looking fabulous and so shiny and so perfect. And it also helps with scalp issues. It relieves irritated, dry, flaky and dandruff types of scalps. It's literally the best for your scalp if you have scalp issues. That's why it's highly beneficial in using the rosemary water in your hair. So when it comes to the preserving process, I highly recommend you using the boiled rosemary leaves that you use. You put it in the storage supply that you have and store it at the fridge. This helps it stay for about, let's say, 2 weeks. That's why I highly recommend you storing it like that in the refrigerator. And when it comes in the remaining rosemary leaves, make sure you store them in a wet Ziploc bag. It must be a wet Ziploc bag. You put them in there and close them up, and also store them in the refrigerator. This helps it in retaining the color, the smell and the natural properties as well. And as for the remaining boiled leaves, you can just throw them away. We won't be needing them again. And there you have it, my friends, the best rosemary hair remedy you can find. I'll be doing a 1-month challenge. Please consider joining the challenge and tell me about your progress and how it's taking you. Bye bye guys, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.